Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN for free. Before we start, I need to make it clear that NordVPN is not a free VPN provider. It's actually a premium VPN that you have to pay for, but it's one of the best VPNs on the market. Now, since this is a premium VPN, you can't use NordVPN for free indefinitely, and this is the reason I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN for free for 30 days, as well as explain why this is a much better solution than using any free VPN out there. Basically, NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee that lets you get a full refund in the first 30 days of your purchase for whatever reason. Sometimes NordVPN's customer support will ask you why you want to get a refund, but you can just say that you don't want to use it anymore and they'll still issue a full reimbursement in the same day. So, what should you do in order to use NordVPN for free? For the start, you need to get any of the plans that NordVPN offers because every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just get the plan you want, enjoy using NordVPN for free, and use this premium VPN without any limitations in terms of bandwidth, security, and server locations. Once you don't want to use it anymore in the first 30 days, just use this live chat widget to contact NordVPN support, which is by the way available 24/7. Say that you want to get your money back, and that's it. You get refunded, and therefore you don't lose a single penny, meaning that you used NordVPN for free successfully. We recommend getting NordVPN's plan on the far left because it's the cheapest one and gives you a huge discount on the price so that you can keep using it in case you like it and you don't want to get a refund in the first 30 days. This way, you will save a lot of money on this premium VPN, and if you want to get this deal or use NordVPN for free, simply use the following link: comparative-vpn.fr/nord1, or you can just click on the link in the description below to claim this deal. Now, let's answer the question we mentioned at the start. Why using NordVPN for free is better than using any free VPN? For the start, free VPNs are very limited in what they offer, so oftentimes you'll encounter very slow speeds, just a few server locations to choose from, and limitations in terms of streaming and torrenting. Namely, a vast majority of free VPNs don't have P2P servers, and not a single free VPN will let you unlock any Netflix catalog or enjoy geo-blocked streaming platforms such as Hulu, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and many others. Not to mention that free VPNs can be quite dangerous to use, given their low level of encryption, lack of mandatory security features, and the fact that they store logs of your personal information, which they later sell to third parties. On the other side, we have NordVPN that is polar opposite of what we just mentioned, and it doesn't store logs and has a rock-solid security, which is even verified by PricewaterhouseCoopers. Moreover, it has 5,000 plus servers in 60 countries and offers decent speeds, but also the ability to unblock Netflix catalogs as well as platforms we just mentioned without any issues. NordVPN even has dedicated P2P servers for torrenting, and on top of that comes with some bonus features such as ad blocker called CyberSec and obfuscated servers for bypassing censorship in censored countries. Finally, it offers 6 simultaneous connections for protecting every device in your home with a single subscription. So, if you made your decision and you want to use NordVPN for free, instead of getting a free VPN, congrats! With all the limitations and downsides of free VPNs, we think that wasting time on them is pointless when you can easily get an affordable VPN such as this one, or even use NordVPN for free by getting a refund in the first 30 days. This way, you can enjoy your VPN without limits, all while preserving your online privacy. So, that was all for today's video. We hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us because many more videos like this are coming very soon. See you in the next video. Bye!